Luna, the vampire cat. Hearn's girlfriend had left him, but when she went, she left her cat, Luna. She hadn't had Luna for long, and Hearn figured she'd gotten it just to annoy him, as he didn't like cats. He rather disliked them. Hearn was tempted to take Luna back to the shelter where she came from, but he still hoped the girlfriend would come back, and he didn't want to give her another excuse to leave again. So Luna stayed, for now. Hearn reckoned it was a handsome enough cat, if you like cats. She was primarily white, but the top of her head had patches of brown and gray. Yet it was Luna's eyes that riveted the attention. Slanted and of vivid yellow, they seemed to stare right through you in a most predatory fashion. Hungry eyes that said they wanted to eat you up. Eyes that began getting on his nerves. For Luna was always staring at him. He would be sitting at his kitchen table or in his office working on his computer, only to get the feeling someone or something was watching him. And when he looked up, he saw Luna regarding him intently. He also noticed that she would follow him from room to room, almost as if she was stalking him, even after the darkness had taken control. Hearn's girlfriend had made a nice little cat bed for Luna out of an old wicker basket. It sat in a comfy corner on the kitchen floor. But Luna never slept there. Hearn would wake up in the wee small hours of the morning, wake up during the watches of the night, only to find Luna sitting on his chest, staring down at him with those glowing yellow eyes. Now, Hearn knew that cats often slept on the bed, but Luna was never asleep, but always awake, staring at him and apparently waiting for what? To pounce? If that wasn't strange enough, there were the dreams. Or were they nightmares? The dreams always took place at night, in the woods. Hearn would find himself walking alone, under the rays of a brilliant full moon, the light of which was periodically obscured by dark, scudding clouds. At first, he thought he was alone, but then he felt, and then he saw that he was being followed by a figure in white, a barefoot woman in a white nightdress, although sometimes she was naked, the vivid moonlight making her body glow in the obscurity. Initially, Hearn was frightened, only to find himself suddenly overwhelmed with desire. He held out his arms to the white figure, and she was smiling. Her wide mouth was smiling as he gazed into her yellow eyes. Yellow eyes. Yellow eyes? And then it, would pounce and bite into his throat. And then Hearn would wake up to find Luna sitting on his chest and staring down at him with those yellow eyes. Yellow eyes. Like she was a vampire or something. But that was just stupid. He was probably having these weird dreams because Luna was getting on his nerves, and maybe he missed the girlfriend more than he let on. But he had been kind of tired lately, and he had noticed his skin seemed paler than usual. But no, Luna's some kind of vampire? That's crazy. No, they were just bad dreams. I mean, who ever heard of a vampire cat? A vampire cat. Stay tuned.